Hey guys, today I'm going to introduce you a new real dash cam which support CarPlay to you guys. So first of all, let's have a look about the FM transmission. So FM transmission is for synchronizing the sound. After that, if you wanted to use a CarPlay, you will need to pair your Bluetooth to the Rearview dash cam correctly. You needed to open your Bluetooth option in your phone, then search the Rearview dash camera Bluetooth. After that, you will get the CarPlay successfully. So as you can see, this is what you get about the CarPlay. You will be able to using the classical CarPlay features such as the phone calling feature. You are also able to playing the music, and also be very convenient to having the map to get to your destination. That is very convenient.